Sometimes we just need something that lifts our moods. A wardrobe glow-up, a little retail therapy, or a room renovation. It's good to treat yourself. But all this can drain your bank account. Don't worry, we've got you covered.
This is so squishy. This rainbow is the cutest. Hello? I wish I had a real cake.
Hey, did you say cake? Check this out.
Wow, that's amazing. It's like my toy. I wish I had a real cake. Mmm, rubbery.
You're so funny. Oh, I forgot something. Back in a minute.
Looks like it's just you and me, Cake. It'd be a shame if someone took a bite out of you. Just a little piece. No one will ever know it was me. Come to me.
What are you doing?
It's not what it looks like. I saw a fly in the cake and
I am so looking forward to this. I really forgot my tea.
I promise this isn't personal, Cake. I just want to eat ya.
Seriously? You have a major problem.
I know. Here you go.
I can't leave you alone for a minute. Give me that. Don't touch it.
The icing, the frosting. I want it all.
A cup of tea and a slice of cake. My cake!
Why? Don't know what you're talking about. Be cool. She knows nothing. It's there. Look.
Are you trying to tell me that's my cake?
Of course. There's the rainbow and the cake.
I can't believe you did this. I have a great idea. Yeah, this will work. These will come in useful.
This tastes so good.
I'll take the toy cake and rainbow and stick them together. Next, I'll paint them, making them look like my cake. Pretty tasty looking. Time for some payback. Hey! This is for you.
For real? Wow, what a day! I think it's overcooked.
He's trying to eat it. Serves him right.
This isn't your best cake.
It'll be so good to see you. Hold on.
Hey, what's up? Take this.
Why?
Thought we could have a picnic in the park.
Okay.
Better pack some snacks. These will do.
I'll take the soda.
That's everything. I think we're ready to go.
Let's do this. This will be fun.
Maybe it would be better to chill at home.
Sounds like a plan. Did you check the weather?
Hold on. Doesn't look good.
And the forecast is not looking good. It's going to be cold, freezing, seriously, so cold.
He looks familiar. Anyway, picnic at home? I've got this water bottle.
And I've got the lights. Let's get to work. Start with a large water bottle. Remove the lid. Glue around the outside of the bottle, just like this. Take some cotton and press it onto the glue, making sure it sticks. Next, place the fairy lights into the bottle.
Ooh, looks good.
It's amazing. So romantic.
At least we can control this weather.
I'm looking forward to a real... Whoa! Ouch!
Did you say something?
Deep breath. It's okay. It's just a little back pain.
You okay?
You could at least help me up.
My bad.
The floor! It's a mess! It's disgusting!
Sorry.
My best sponge! I'm so angry right now.
It's not my fault.
That's it. I've had enough.
You don't mean... Please, no.
You need to clean up. Now.
This is so unfair. Oh well, better get on with it. Better wipe this up. In you go. Watch out, little duck. I need you for my bath time. Quack, quack. That soap gives me an idea. I'll take one of these sponges. Yeah, this will be great. Take 2 exfoliating sponges. Cut them into smaller pieces. Put the soap in a bowl and melt it. Add a little food dye. Give it a stir, making sure the dye is mixed well. Looking good. Place the sponges into a cookie mold. Then pour over the soap mixture, making sure to cover the sponge completely. Try using colored dyes for a different effect. Now that's done, all that's left to do is allow the soap to set. That worked out well. I'll hang these here. It looks great, and we'll never lose the soap.
This room better be clean. If it's not...
Hi, Mom.
Not bad.
Look at this.
Wow!
Why don't you go for a bath and try it out?
Such a clever and kind boy.
I bet I can jump higher than you.
No way! I'm the best!
Whee! I'm the best jumper in the world. I think I can touch the ceiling. Woo! Watch this! Ooh, that's not snow, is it?
No, it's not! My chair! You ruined it!
Sorry. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
This will be epic! Let's do this!
We'll need that blanket. Ready?
Ready!
Attach the hoop onto the chair using cable ties. Drape the blanket over the hoop.
What's going on in here? Something's not right.
I think we're almost done.
What are you doing? Oh, hi, Mom. Nothing to worry about. Let me see that. Looks comfortable. I like this. It's soft and cozy. Feels good. I might keep this for myself. We hope these makeover hacks gave you some inspiration. What's your favorite makeover tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.